Today in this video I'm going to show you how to delete temporary files on Windows 10 very easily. Windows temp files, as the name suggested, are temporary files created by certain programs when in use on your Windows 10 device. These files can quickly add up and consume valuable storage space, so you may want to delete them. First step, Disk Cleanup is a program in Windows 10 that lets you quickly delete files that are no longer necessary, including temp files. To launch Disk Cleanup, type Disk Cleanup in the Windows search bar and then click the Disk Cleanup app in the search results. The Disk Cleanup for Windows C window will open. Check the box next to each type of the temporary files you want to delete and then click OK button. A pop-up message will appear asking you to confirm that you want to delete the selected files. Click Delete Files. The system will then begin deleting the selected temp files. Second step, delete temp files from the Settings app. You can also delete temp files from the Settings app. First, open Settings by clicking the Windows icon in the bottom left corner of the desktop to open the Start menu and then clicking the gear icon. Alternatively, press Windows key plus I. The Settings window will open. Here, click the System option. Next, click Storage in the left-hand pane. On the next screen, click Temporary Files under the Windows C group. A list of what your system considers temporary files will appear. Check the box next to the files you want to delete and then click Remove Files. Windows 10 will now begin deleting the temp files. Third steps, manually delete temp files. If you like doing things the old-fashioned way, you can also delete the temp files yourself in File Explorer. But instead of digging around through multiple layers of folders trying to locate the temp folder, you can use a shortcut. First, press Windows plus R to open the Run app. Once open, type temp in the text box and then click OK or press Enter. The temp folder will open in File Explorer. Select the files that you want to delete. You can quickly select all of the files by pressing Ctrl plus A. Selected files are highlighted in blue. Then delete the all selected temp files by pressing Shift plus Delete plus Enter. Then, first, press Windows plus R to open the Run app. Then once again open, type %temp% in the text box and then click OK or press Enter. The temp folder will open in File Explorer. Select the files that you want to delete. You can quickly select all of the files by pressing Ctrl plus A. Selected files are highlighted in blue. Then delete the all selected temp files by pressing Shift plus Delete plus Enter. Then press the same Windows key plus R again and type Run box prefetch. Then delete all the temp files in the same way. This way you can delete your temp files very easily. Windows will begin deleting the selected temp files. As we mentioned, deleting temp files is a good way to regain storage space, but it's also possible that deleting temp files can help improve your PC if it's running a bit slow. If you have difficulty understanding something, please comment in the comment box. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.